Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to easily apply our soft gel press-ons for a pedicure and achieve the perfect pedicure in just a few simple steps. All you need is our soft gel press-ons pedicure starter set. For even longer wear, our nail glue is a great addition, and the duo nail tool is a nice extra to have on hand. Start by preparing your toenails and filing them into shape. Gently push back your cuticles using the wooden cuticle stick, and lightly buff the surface of your nails with the buffer. Quick tip, don't throw away the wooden stick after use. You'll also need it later for the gentle removal of your press-on pedicure. Next, remove any dust or residue using the cleaning wipe. The more thoroughly you repair your toenails, the longer and better your pedicure press-ons will last, so take your time with this step. Now, choose the correct size for your press-ons. They should be neither too small nor too large and should fit flush with your natural nail. If needed, you can gently file the sides of the press-ons to make them slightly narrower and ensure the perfect fit for your nail plate. Tip: you can recognize the tip of the press-on nail because it's slightly thicker than the cuticle side, or on the smaller press-ons by the small application tab. For the best results, we recommend using the combo method. Apply adhesive tabs on the big toe and nail glue on the smaller toenails. This way, you'll get the perfect hold for every nail size. With this method, your pedicure can last up to 14 days. For the adhesive tabs on the big toe, first, choose the right size. They shouldn't be too narrow or extend beyond your natural nail. Then apply the tab to your nail with the protective film still on. Smooth out any air bubbles using the rosewood stick or the duo nail tool, then peel off the protective film. For the nail glue on the smaller toes, apply a generous amount of glue to the underside of the press-on and also add a thin layer to your natural nail. Make sure the glue doesn't come into contact with your cuticles. Of course, you can also use just one method. With adhesive tabs, your press-ons will last up to 7 days. Gentle, reusable, and perfect for in-between. With nail glue, your pedicure can last up to 14 days. Place the press-on at a 45-degree angle at the cuticle area and slowly lower it into the nail while applying gentle pressure. Then, press and hold it firmly on your toenail for 60 seconds. For smaller toenails, the press-ons come with a practical application tab. Simply snap it off after pressing the nail on and gently file the remaining edge smooth. And that's it! The perfect pedicure with a natural look and a beautiful shine. No nail salon needed.